Hello, in this video I want to show you how to move Steam Guard Authenticator code from your previous device to new Motorola Edge 40 series of smartphones. And to do this, here's my previous device and here's Motorola. I downloaded Steam for both of the devices, and now we need to log into our Steam account on the Motorola phone. Now we should see this notification and approve access for this account. Here, move to this shield icon and click on Add Authenticator. Select Move Authenticator. Now you should receive the SMS or message code with your Steam, with this code to move the authentication, and let's insert it. Select Verify Code. Now you can see this code right here. Screenshot it and keep it somewhere safe. It should help you retrieve your account in case you lose this phone, so just save it on your PC or somewhere safe. Click on Done, and now the Steam Guard code is migrated to our other device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.